one thing that's making me a little bit hopeful than in the past is that uh, we we are somehow seeing that some packets of hope. First from the president, ano? Siya yung nagsabi nito eh, di ba? And kinol on siya ng mga tao, ano? Siya yung nag-imbestiga, siya yung nag-expose, siya rin yung nag, ano ng mga actions like, alam natin, numinipis yung political capital niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Dahil he's basically running against his political party, ano, the members of the political party. What's giving me hope is that nag-cut across yung issue, across different sectors of the society. Hindi yan nangyari eh.
Right.
Before, when I was still auditing na kahit na nung wala pa akong asawa at anak, walang pakialam ng mga tao. Lagi lang nila sasabihin, oh, lilipas din yan. Panapanahon lang yan. Or something like, wala akong pakialam dyan, mahirap pag-usapan yan. But this time, nakita natin na, you know, Richard, I was trying to review posts sa social media, and I noticed na even yung mga movie reporters, ano sila, no? Hook na hook sila dito sa mga issues na ito. Why am I excited? Kasi yung mga movie reporters, ito yung mga balitang pinapanood ng mga masa. So that means to say, yung pinaghirapan namin noon, we're trying to explain the power of citizens' participation. We're trying to explain the different processes of the government, because how can you exact accountability if you are not even aware of what are the different processes inside the government, how the government operates, di ba? And now we're seeing a lot of bloggers like you, a lot of journalists, and a lot of videos, kahit sa TikTok, ano, explaining the budget process. Iba yun eh. When you try to share information on the citizens, nagkakaroon ito ng interaction eh. And wag nating kalimutan, yung pag-call out ng mga Gen Zs, ano, dito sa mga tinatawag nating Nepo babies. Ibig sabihin, nakakatuwa dahil ang usapan ng pagbabantay sa kaba ng bayan ay nalipat hindi lamang mula doon sa mga nasa loob ng pamahalaan at nabigyan ng katungkulan gaya ng mga auditor, taga-ombudsman, taga-budget, kung hindi ito ay naisalin at naibahagi sa lahat ng sectors ng lipunan. Yan, Richard, Tagalog ako ng Tagalog.
Yeah, okay lang, sila po.
Yeah. So this is exciting. Dahil sa tingin natin, ang kailangan kasi natin, you know what's sad with this fight against corruption is that it is a fight against undying enemies. Di ba? Kaya ang biro namin, kailangan mahaba ang buhay namin. Hindi lang yon, kailangan may force. Kaya hindi pwedeng kami lang yung nadi-disappoint, kami lang yung nagagalit. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung nadi-disappoint dahil ikaw yung nagbabalita nito. Ano? Kailangan nararamdaman ng mga ordinaryong mamamayan yung kahalagahan ng binabantayan natin. Saan napupunta ang pera ng bayan?